Need to check your car with an OBD2 Bluetooth adapter? Here's the quick setup. This ELM327 OBD2 adapter works with Android, iOS, and Windows using compatible apps or software. Plug it into your vehicle's OBD2 port, usually under the driver's side dashboard. The red and green lights may flash once and then turn off. That's normal, it does not mean the adapter is broken. Start the vehicle, then download the automotive app from Google Play. Open automotive and tap Login as guest. No registration is needed for basic use. The app will search for the OBD2 adapter and connect automatically. Once connected, the green light will keep blinking, and you can view live vehicle data. You can check fault codes, check engine light detection, battery voltage, engine RPM, and more.